happy ko yan.
What happens if...
Oh, yan, Jack.
Oh, shit! Shit! Read the table na.
Oo nga, eh, naman pa yun. Nako.
Ilan ba na, Hanky?
Dalawa. Ano ba yun? Lagi ako nakukuhanan. Siniya. Ito, water.
Oh God, that's the only card she needed. Damn, that was a good pull.
Yun. Ano ba, Rama? Sinapakang kita, no? Nandos? Kailan?
Last round na eh.
Last round.
Bago niyo binaba yung jack.
Oo nga eh. Seven na yan. Dalawa. Naku, ang seven ko, sayang. Sayang ang seven, wala talaga.
Ha? Sagasa?
Sayang.
Oh, yeah. So what happens when Kuyebi didn't have his fourth one, but he had...
drew it.
Yeah, but if he was waiting for another card, like 9 and 7 of diamonds, but he never got the 8, and he put that as Sagasa.
Sais.
I don't understand your question. Wala.
Wala.
Eh.
Ewan ko si Amy. Wala.
Shit!
Shit.
No, kuya!
Oh, game.
Sige.
Yeah!
Ay!
No way! Why did you fight?
Oo nga, sana.
Why did you fight